Good morning. So later we will have the questionnaire. You will fill in some problems, that your answer to some problem. And about the present live, if you want to join, you can scan the QR code. It seems we know, so this one, we will have a questionnaire regarding EMI teaching optimization skills. So hopefully you can think about this and be serious to give your answers. Even in the past you never tried before, but think about is it effective or maybe not effective. Of course, if you can do so, I will appreciate your cooperation. And I already know we have 7 skills. Skill 1, we already have a form of keyword or key terms. Why this one? You can look at the current description. Cambridge Dictionary to have the keyword or key terms. And later I will ask you this question. Can form of keywords or key terms provide language support to students effectively? You can choose agree, disagree, or maybe yes, indeed, if you don't have any ideas, and then you can choose no ideas. So this is first one, skill 1. And next one, live or instant subtitles. This one. So we have Microsoft 365, and so that we have subtitles here. Same, can live or instant subtitles by using Microsoft 365 provide language support to students effectively? All right, so this is the second question. Next one, live presentation. Similarly, but you can change your subtitle language to you prefer. For example, in Chinese, that's okay. Same, is it effective? And also, we have slides recording videos for the current semester. Specifically, if you want to review for the exam, and then possibly you will use it. All right, so for the purpose of review, and in fact, I have the slides video, and so that unit by unit lasting 4 to 20 minutes, or maybe even longer. And this one, do you think is it effective? Why is it effective? Because if you use YouTube, and then you can have CC on YouTube. Why I expect you to use CC on YouTube? We have instant subtitles, but why we still need to have a CC on YouTube? Well, sometimes we have a lag, right? So to avoid lag, and then I already have the function of CC on YouTube. Likewise, can slides recorded videos for the current semester on YouTube provide language support to students effectively? And last one, understanding checking. Any questions or something else, right? Okay, so for this one, I think you know these. And last one, I allow you to discuss with your neighbors. And this one we call turn and talk. And so that you won't fall asleep, right? So here we have the specific term, engage. That says you will pay attention to the content you study or something else. So engage. So engage students effectively. And last one, good discussion. If I would just have one time of a good discussion, then I change to think, pair, share because of the size. All right, but similarly, we have the discussion and ask you to share. So, can a good discussion or think, pair, share engage students efficiently or effectively? Finally, this one, actually I have the participation including assessment. So we have around 25% of participation. And we maybe tutor will that have the points you obtain. Likewise, can the participation include assessment in get students efficiently? And this one, actually, if I want to make it simple, this is a past recorded video for the 3 classroom. And this one for preview. And likewise, you should understand, for students learning or lecturers teaching efficiently, of course, I have the proper time control, and so yes, we have the individual events properly. All right. So for me, I think this one is efficient. But for you, you think is it efficient? So you can put them together to think about this: student learning and lecturers teaching. And finally, right now, maybe you don't have it, but we have the oral presentation for the final report. We have the final report, and we semi-code that it is a PBL, problem-based. Even we have a really short duration, but from the beginning to the end of the presentation, you should focus on the topic you have. Even maybe within the team, some of you focus on that. Perhaps most of you fail to focus that. However, think about this. Can the PBL engage students efficiently? All right. And finally, in fact, I don't want to put this into the questionnaire, but finally I think yes, we should do it. Because of EMI's anomaly, it won't be this way in Chinese. However, I still want to know, so this one serving as the reference. So condense recorded video in Chinese and facilitate your learning, specifically for those who cannot understand the lecture in English. All right. Okay, so we have 11 skills, and I will ask you to have these. And be serious and finally give your answers. Okay, go and check it. Gotta have 5 minutes first. Using the hyperlink. Maybe something wrong with it.
Answer for mirror for other people.
Even you never try, but you think about that. Effective or efficient?
Yeah, but like for other people, not for me, because the keyword is so high.
Sure. If you don't think so, then you can.
For other people.
Yeah.
So
You can use the way efficient for them, or maybe you don't want to do so. You can have no ideas. Okay. So that's why I don't know you never tried, and then still think about these, because we need to have the skill to continue for the new semester or not. So that's why we have the questionnaires regarding the optimization skills for EMI teaching. We have 11 questions there. Likewise, 2 points for each question. So you need to provide the answers, even you have no ideas. But I prefer you have the possible consideration, so that effective for some of students or not. Actually, we should have the questionnaire at the end of the course, but next Wednesday the time is really tight, so that's why I didn't have the questionnaire a week before. So let me check, not finished. Okay, so let me move on to the next one. Actually, this Monday, maybe some of you answer for this poll, but I clear this, and so that we think about this. What are you most worried about after going through all the lectures and the activity? And so that which one you still worry about? Okay. We have an exam in English, homework in English, is English in class, and understanding the lecture in English, and none of the above. All right, so this one. Just give your answer and don't change if you have your answer. I will check this with the initial poll from the beginning of this semester, so that anything changed. So I will check it later. So about this, now finish. Okay, finish, then we move on to the next one. And next one, the final one. How do you feel after going through, even next week you still have the content of the course, including the oral presentation. But think about if finish out and then the feeling, please let me know. Maybe you can guess which one you think that fit your feelings. This one should be afraid. Afraid of this, right? And next one is angry. So this poll just for reference. I know you don't let me have the correct answers. So that's why just for reference. Let me check, not finished. Once you have the answer, then don't change. Let me check, not finished. Okay. Once you finish this, and then we don't have lecture anymore. And next week we have the final exam on Monday. And next Wednesday we have the oral presentation. For the oral presentation, the time is limited. So if you want to have the recorded video and pass it to me after the presentation, sure, you can prepare the recorded video. And possibly you can upload to your YouTube, and so it will be easier for us to share. All right, and I will check possibly what other details can provide to you before the next Wednesday. All right, let me check, not finished. Okay, that's all. So, that's all the lecturing. All right, and right now we have the quiz number 3. And you just need your ballpoint pens and something you need to use. And let me start to distribute the answering sheets and the problem sets.